I've spent years sailing the vast, uncharted waters of the Atlantic Ocean, my heart filled with an insatiable thirst for discovery. They call me Christopher Columbus, the explorer who opened the door to a new world. But my journey was not just about new lands and riches, it carried a heavy price. As I made landfall on the shores of the Americas, I marveled at the beauty of this strange new place. The people who lived here, with their vibrant cultures and traditions, were unlike any I had ever encountered before. But as time passed, our meeting proved to be a catastrophic encounter. European diseases, carried on our ships, decimated the indigenous populations. Measles, smallpox and influenza swept through their communities with deadly efficiency, leaving trails of sorrow and despair in their wake. We did not mean to bring such devastation. We were but unwitting carriers of these illnesses. But our impact extended beyond disease. As the survivors struggled to rebuild, they found themselves enslaved by European traders. The transatlantic slave trade was born on these shores, a terrible legacy that would haunt generations to come. I had inadvertently paved the way for this cruel practice, my actions unwittingly contributing to the suffering of those I had initially hoped to help and understand. Furthermore, as wealth poured into Europe from our New World discoveries, powerful men saw an opportunity. They began to build colonies and plantations, establishing settlements that would forever change the course of history. The indigenous peoples were pushed aside, their lands seized for the benefit of a few. I had unintentionally set in motion the forces of colonialism, which would leave deep scars on these lands and the people who inhabited them. My influence was not all negative, of course. Our discoveries brought knowledge, new ideas, and advancements to the old world. But the cost was high, and it weighed heavily on my conscience. As I sailed back to Europe, I could not shake the image of the suffering I had inadvertently caused. The New World, once a symbol of hope and discovery, had become a bitter reminder of mankind's capacity for both wonder and destruction.